banners. An ugly clash that took place between two groups. Supporters of BJP MLA G. Janardhan Reddy and Congress MLA Bharat Reddy clashed over banner installation in Ballari. Supporters from both sides pelted stones at each other. BJP claims that a Congress MLA's aide fired shots, while both sides have accused each other of being responsible. Police resorted to a lathi charge and fired tear gas shells. Police said that banners and posters were being installed across the city in connection with the scheduled installation of a Valmiki statue on the 3rd of January.
While the nation was celebrating New Year, an ugly clash broke out in Ballari, Karnataka between supporters of two political groups. The conflict erupted outside the residence of BJP MLA Janardhan Reddy when Congress MLA Bharat Reddy's supporters attempted to put up banners for the upcoming Valmiki statue unveiling. The confrontation quickly escalated from stone pelting to gunfire. The BJP claims a Congress MLA's aide fired shots while both sides blamed each other for the violence. Janardhan Reddy alleged it was a targeted assassination attempt, while Bharat Reddy accused his rival of sabotaging a community event.
In the name of a banner, they came to my home and they attacked in a very big way. They have thrown in the stones, the beer bottles, the petrol bombs, and even they brought their own private gunmen. They fired in the air and even they fired straight away on me.
ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಹೊತ್ತು ಒಂದು 500 ಜನ ಹುಡುಗರು ಬಂದಿದ್ರು. ಅವರೇನೋ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ಒಂದು 2-3 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ಅಜ್ಜಿಯವರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆದ್ರೆ ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ಅಜ್ಜನ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವತ್ತು ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಮಾಡಿದಂತವರು ಇವತ್ತು ಅಜ್ಜನ ಅನಾವರಣ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಅಜ್ಜನ ಅನಾವರಣ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಜನತೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ರಾಜ್ಯ ಜನತೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ರಾಕ್ಷಸ.
The BJP has alleged Gunda Raj in Karnataka.
Bullet fire happened in Ballari, that is by the Congress party. Congress Gundas targeted Janardhan Reddy. But the case filed by Janardhan Reddy, file against Janardhan Reddy. Why? What message will go?
In Karnataka, after Congress coming back to power, there is total breakdown of law and order. This is not good. So there may be differences, but one should not go to this extent of intimidating an elected representative.
The Siddaramaiah government has ordered a probe.
I have also sent the Additional Director General of Police, Law and Order, to visit the spot and see what has happened, and have ordered for an inquiry. I was told that 11 people have been, registered the charge sheet, and a few have been arrested.
The police have booked 11 individuals, including BJP MLA Janardhan Reddy and BJP leader B. Sriramullu. With Nagarjun Dwarkanath, Bureau Report, India Today.